There's a comment that says if you expect the state to take care of you, you should be paying what you have left. Specifically, we're talking about Medicaid asset protection and the ability to legally shelter excess income and assets from the Medicaid analysis. Because as we all know, Medicaid doesn't, by default, doesn't kick in until you go broke or have less than $2,000 of countable assets. So it made me think back into my law school days when we were reading cases by famous Supreme Court justices of time. And I remember in one of my tax classes, this particular quote by Judge Learned Hand. And it basically says anyone may arrange his affairs so that his taxes may be as low as possible. He is not bound to choose a pattern which pays the Treasury. There is not even a patriotic duty to increase one's taxes. Over and over again, the courts have said that there is nothing sinister as to arranging their affairs to pay as low of taxes as possible. And even though Medicaid asset protection is not taxes, the idea and the premise behind it is the same. Rules are given by the federal government and by the individual states that are part of the federal Medicaid program, which is pretty much every state. But the idea is that if they give us the rules, just like the IRS code gives us the rules that allows us to arrange our affairs to pay as little as possible in taxes, it goes without saying that the logic follows that if the rules for Medicaid allow us and give us the option to shelter our assets and not go broke in the process, that we are under no duty, including patriotic duty, to pay more than necessary when they're giving us the rules to use, and the strategies are right at our fingertips. So I certainly respect your opinion that everybody should pay what they can, and if that's your moral compass, I won't say you're wrong, but as a lawyer, my job is, as a hired gun, to do the best for my client and give them all of the legal options. And if that option allows them to pay less for long-term care, then I feel I am doing my job and my duty to my profession to help my clients through that process and pay as least as possible, just like a CPA. Have a great day.